First of all, here's a big well done for having completed the first section of this course. Creation is awesome, but in no way easy. Programming, drawing, animation, all these skills are tough to master and learn, but those that keep practicing and don't give up, even when it all seems impossible, frustrating, and hard, end up achieving great things. So yeah, well done. We really hope you had a good time and came up with your own player character. Whether he looks stunning or not, you did it, and that's already amazing. With that said, we welcome you to section 2 of the course. Here we will create the game's various enemy characters. We'll start off by making a vicious melee enemy monster that runs after the player and when near enough leaps at the hero to deal him some damage. We'll then create the summoner, a spooky wizard that spawns hungry skeletons. And lastly, we'll bring to life this fat, vicious bat-like creature that shoots at the player nasty projectiles. This section is mainly focused on programming. You'll learn how to code basic artificial intelligence to bring to life the enemies and get them hunting the player, as well as create a simple spawning system that will, in short, spawn enemies around the map. With this spawning system, you'll be able to increase the game's difficulty over time and create interesting waves filled with dangerous enemies. But of course, you'll also learn how to design these enemies and pick up new, useful animation tips and tricks. So I hope you're excited. This section will be loads of fun. Remember that if you get stuck or don't understand something, ask for help on the course's Discord server. Or sometimes the best way to solve a problem is just to take a break and come back later. With fresh eyes, you're very likely to find a solution. Okay, see you in the next video where we will start creating the melee enemy.